Welcome to this tutorial on managing items within your catalog. Items are the elements you assign to a catalog, and they can be categorized to make navigation easier. To simplify the process, it's highly recommended to create a list of items, categorize them, and ensure you have images ready for these items. Let's explore the details, including image requirements and item management. It is best to use 1080 by 609 pixels at 72 dpi, with a minimum of 720 by 406 pixels and a maximum of 2160 by 1890 pixels. These images should be in a JPEG or PNG format and should be under 500 kilobytes. Following these specifications ensures that your items will look their best when added to the catalog. You can add multiple images per item as needed. For this tutorial, we'll use a catalog named Food and Drinks as an example. To access the item list, navigate to your selected catalog and open the first tab labeled List. To begin adding your items, click the Add button on the right. A pop-up will appear, where you can provide a name for your item. For instance, let's name it Greek Iced Coffee. Click Next to add the new item to the list. You can further configure item settings in the item list. You can select one or multiple items and delete them using the Delete button at the top of the list. Alternatively, you can delete an item by clicking the red trash can icon next to it. Items can be organized by adjusting the numbers in the To Sort column. You can also enable or disable items by clicking the checkbox in the Active column. To make your items functional, each one must be assigned a package and category. You can find this setting in the right column under Add Gallery. In the first window, select Public, and in the second window, choose All or a category you created earlier. You can even select multiple categories to make the item appear in all selected categories. Remember to save your progress before viewing changes on the app or closing the window. Efficiently managing items within your catalog ensures a user-friendly experience for your app's users.